Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: charge level, Bluetooth, and nearby iPhone. Open the watch app and tap Start Pairing. Align the watch face in the iPhone viewfinder to link devices. Once paired, choose your wrist and language so controls map correctly. Make sure to sign in with your Apple ID to enable backups and iCloud sync. This saves settings and health data. After pairing, allow location, motion, and notifications so features like activity and Find My work properly. Once done pairing, you configure security and core features. Set a passcode and enable wrist detection to protect data and activate Apple Pay quickly. Next, choose which apps to install now versus later to avoid clutter. This controls storage and battery. Make sure to adjust notification settings per app so you only get what matters. Finally, customize your watch face and add complications for quick access to timers, workouts, or calendar events so your most used actions are one tap away. To finish, sync health and activity data and check for watchOS updates. Keeping software current fixes bugs and improves battery life. Calibrate the motion sensors by taking a 20-minute outdoor walk or run so step and distance tracking is accurate. If something goes wrong, first restart both Apple Watch and iPhone, then toggle Bluetooth and re-attempt pairing. This resolves most connectivity issues. If pairing still fails, unpair in the watch app to erase and start fresh, which restores a known good state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.